Hare Krishna. Heartfelt gratitude for the support in constructing Lord Jagannath and Gaur Nitai's temples. With deep humility and gratitude, I offer my heartfelt thanks to all who have contributed to the renovation and worship of Lord Gaur Nitai at Jagannath in Chalatur village, Arkapeta Taluk, Tirur district. The mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has truly transformed our family and community. For generations, our ancestors faced immense hardships. The influence of Kali Yuga led many into intoxication and meat eating and what else other sinful activities, which brought suffering at the hands of cruel and fraudulent village heads and exploitative groups. However, by the costless mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, our family has been uplifted. Taking shelter in His divine mission, I have dedicated myself to spirituality, and by His grace, our circumstances have improved significantly. We had the opportunity to worship Lord Jagannath in our premises. We had taken the responsibility to preach in this part of Tiruvallur district. So we had this house utilized as a preaching center. Harinam Sankirtan, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. We distributed Harinam, we distributed Hare Krishna, we distributed Krishna Katha, we preach Krishna Katha. We utilized this place in the service of Lord Krishna. This place was not suitable for Krishna service initially. It was very impure and it took many years, hard struggle, contributions of hundreds of people. This journey would not have been possible without the immense support of so many kind-hearted individuals and organizations. I extend my deepest gratitude to each and every one of you who have contributed in cash or kind, and especially the following departmental heads, following suppliers, manufacturers, distributors and producers, retailers, wholesalers. Construction and infrastructure support. Construction material suppliers for providing the best quality material to ensure the temple's durability. Construction supervisors and workers for the dedication and hard work in bringing the sacred project to life. Electrical contractors and electricians for ensuring that temple is well lit and safe for worshippers. Plumbers and plumbing material suppliers for setting up proper water facilities for temple activities. Hardware suppliers for providing essential tools and materials for the construction. Assistants in doors and windows, hardware suppliers for providing essential tools and materials for the construction, government departments and essential services, Department of Electricity for the prompt assistance in setting up electrical connections, monthly supply of electricity, Department of Water Supply for ensuring a steady water supply to the temple, Police Department for maintaining law and order, ensuring the safety of the temple premises, Bharat Gas Suppliers for providing essential resources, the temple kitchen and prasad distribution, donation and supplies for worship, donors, your generous financial and material contributions have made this project possible, vegetable and fruit suppliers for providing fresh ingredients for offering Bhoga to Lord, flower suppliers and retailers for their daily contributions of flowers for temple decorations and deity worship, supporters and well-wishers, social media partners for spreading awareness about this divine mission, friends, relatives and well-wishers for your encouragement and prayers have been our strength. This sacred endeavor is not just about constructing a temple but about building a community rooted in devotion, love and service. By Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, may this temple continue to inspire and uplift countless souls in their spiritual journey. Once again, from the depths of my heart, I thank each one of you. Your service to Lord Gaur Nitai will not go unnoticed by the Supreme Lord. And I pray that He bestows His blessings upon you and your families. Hare Krishna, Jai Gaur Nitai.